So the shoulder joint is a very unstable joint, and in order to keep our arm moving pain-free, especially as we age, we need to keep those muscles in the scapular region strong. In this video today, I'm going to show you a few simple exercises that you can do to help keep your shoulder mobile and strong. Hi, my name is Kathy. I'm a physical therapist. So in today's video, I'm going to do a few simple exercises for scapular stabilization. I'm going to use my 2-pound dumbbells and my ball for just a little bit of positioning. I'm going to roll out over the ball. I'm going to lift my hands forward, then out to the side, and then back. If you don't have a ball, you could certainly do these leaning forward or lying on your bed on your stomach with your arm over the edge of the bed. But I like to use the ball, so here we go. All right, so I'm over the ball, and I do have to keep my core muscles engaged, otherwise I will roll off of the ball. And I'm just going to lift my arms up on about a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to keep my chin tucked so that I don't strain my neck. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let me adjust my glasses here. And now I'm going to lift my arms up to the sides, about even with my body. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm going to lift my arms back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alrighty, that's the first set. I'm going to take a little break and then I'll begin my second set. Now, when you're doing these at home, right now I'm just using a 2-pound weight. If you find that too difficult, you could go down to a 1-pound weight, or you could even do it starting with no weights at all if this is challenging for you. And as with all of my exercises, if it causes any pain at all, I want you to stop, because nothing that we're doing today should cause any pain. So I've rested a few minutes and I'm going to get back and do a second set of these exercises. So I'm rolling out over the ball, and I'm going to keep my chin tucked and lift my hands up on a 45-degree angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're lifting out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm lifting back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The next exercise for scapular stabilization that I'm going to be doing is with me on my back. So I'm going to lie down on my back. I'm going to do the supine serratus punch. I'm going to lift my arms straight up in the air, keeping my elbows straight. I'm going to lift my shoulder blades up off the floor and return to the start position. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm just going to rest for a few minutes before I do my second set. Alrighty, I've rested and I'm ready to start my second set. So lifting up my shoulder blades off of the floor for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So those are my easy exercises for scapular stabilization. If you found these exercises helpful, you might also like this video here.